This 3D wood grain striped wall panel instantly transforms any space with depth and character. Measuring approximately 300 centimeters by 40 centimeters, it features a thickened, embossed surface with a realistic raised and recessed texture that beautifully mimics natural wood. The roll can be easily cut to size, making it perfect for custom projects. Whether you're upgrading a bedroom, refreshing a living room, enhancing a ceiling, or creating a stylish TV accent wall, this panel adds warmth, dimension, and a modern architectural touch, all with simple, hassle-free installation.